Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look into the physics concept of power. Let's get started. So, what is the formula of power? Now, I have the formula here. Work done by time taken. So, we know what is time taken, but what is this thing called work done? So, we are going to be dealing with two concepts here, work done and power. Now, first work done. Work. So, work's formula is Fs, that is force into displacement, or Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta. So, if you have an angle, you could multiply it with force and displacement and you get the work done. So, what is the exact definition, that is the meaning of work done? So, say if I have a body here on the ground, so it's at rest. Then I apply some force. So what happens? The body gets displaced, right? So if the body gets displaced, we can say that there is some work that is done. So I apply some force and the body gets displaced. So there is some work done here. This is what you call as work done. Now let's get deep into it. So what is the formula of work done? As I told you, it is Fs, force into displacement. So, displacement is nothing but the SI unit of displacement is meters. And if we expand force, the formula of force is mass into acceleration. So, mass SI unit is kg and acceleration is meter per second square. So, when we multiply these two, we get the expansion kg m squared s minus 2. So, there is a name for this unit. It is called as joules. So, joules, J-O-U-L-E-S. So, this is called as joules. Now, let's write the dimensional formula. For the dimensional formula, we need three main things, right? Mass, length and time. Now, mass is the power is 1, length is power of 2 and time is to the power of minus 2, and I will enclose it in brackets. Here we get a dimensional formula of work, that is m1 L2 t to the power minus 2. Now, let's move on to the power. We stopped with the dimensional formula of the work done. Now let's move on to the power concept. So power. Now we know that the power's formula is work by time taken. So we know what is work, right? So the SI unit of work is joules and that of time is seconds. So you get the unit as joules per second. So, Js to the power minus 1. Now, let's derive the dimensional formula of power. Again, we need the expansion of it. So, work is kg m squared s to the power minus 2. And what is the time one? So, that is seconds s. Now, what do we get? That is kg m square s minus 3, because this s goes up and we get kg m square s minus 3. This is the expansion of power. So, there is a name for this. It is called as watt. W-A-T-T. Now, let me take another page. So, let me start from here. So, let me clear it. So, we stopped with the expansion, right? That is kg. So, we stopped with the expansion, that is kg m square s minus 3. Now, let's calculate the dimensional formula. So the dimensional formula, so M L T. So for mass power is 1, for length it is 2, and for time it is -3. Here we get a dimensional formula. Now I was talking about that watt, right? This unit is called as watt. W-A-T-T. So can this be expressed in another units? Yes, it is. So just like meters in centimeters, so there is another unit. So it can be expressed in horsepowers. So we use this generally in the engines of cars, right? So how many horsepowers? So I'll just write it, horsepower. So that is 746 watts. 1 horsepower is 746 watts. Now there is another formula for power. So if there is an application of force on a body, so let me draw the ground. Now say there is a body at rest. So I just apply some force. Now the body acquires some velocity. Here they are not talking about displacement. They are talking about velocity. And again it comes here. So the formula of power would be force into velocity, that is Fv. So let us recall what we learnt in a quick manner. So we saw what is work done, right? So work done is Fs cos theta. So or it is also called as Fs. So if I have a body here, so I apply some force and it has some displacement. So that time we can tell that it has some work done. Now its dimensional formula is m l power 2 t to the power -2. M is to the power 1. Now we saw about power. So power is work by time. So its units are unit is joule to the joule second to the power -1. So it has two formulas, right? F into V and this one. So and even there is one main thing. So 1 HP is 746 watts. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope that you understood all the concepts in this video. Catch you up in the next video. Bye.